In this video, I'll show you how to get private Bitcoin. So BTCX is wrapped Bitcoin on the Zano privacy blockchain, making your Bitcoin transactions private by default. So to do this, head on over to freedomdollar.com, where they've added a nice DEX swap engine here. So it also works on mobile as well. Just make sure you're accessing it through the Zano mobile wallet browser. And if you're on desktop like me, you'll need Zano Companion with your Zano wallet downloaded and fully synced. So to get started, all you need to do is click Connect Wallet here. And then as you can see, my wallet is now connected. After, I can change this to FUSD, and then I can change the token here. So I'm going to select BTCX. And as you can see, I have a balance of 25 FUSD, so I'm going to go ahead and swap that into BTCX. I'm going to go ahead and click Get BTCX, then confirm the swap here. And it's very important that you double check these numbers here. So I'm setting 25 FUSD and I'm receiving this amount in BTCX as it says here. Then I'm going to click confirm. And as you can see, the swap is now complete. And it is as fast as that. If I go ahead and check my wallet now, as you can see, I have the wrapped Bitcoin already. And if I need to send it back, so unwrap Bitcoin to FUSD, I can go ahead and do this. So 25 and then reverse it, the transaction like this. So if you guys need FUSD to perform this swap, if you click buy FUSD at the top here, scroll down, you can see external exchange here. Just click that. I can, for example, send USDT on the TRC20 network and receive FUSD directly through here through Exolix. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe for more privacy-focused videos.